Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Sipping on iced tea lemonade. See me catching that new wave. Every day gonna celebrate. Going up, gonna elevate. Hey, check me out, check me out. Look at how I draw a crowd, draw a crowd. Better take off like we're up in the clouds. Going all the way, can't stop me now. I got no time for bad days or bad moods. Head high, you know I'ma push through. Pop on a playlist of good tunes. Let the good vibes fill up a room. I'm here to share the good news. You can say goodbye to the blues. You know everybody feeling the groove. If you're ready, then get up and move.
Sabi nila, ML is life. Yun pala, ML is love. Naglalaro po kami, pareho po kami naglalaro ng ML.
So, rank game lang. Tapos,
Nung nag-meet po yung parang, di ba, ML, tapos meron kayong mga clan.
first time we met, yun, doon. Sabi ko na parang may something. Tapos, parang nung nasa play na sila, pasakay na, doon ako nagsabi na sabi ko parang malungkot na may nararamdaman akong something na special.
So let it rain down, let it pour me out to the water. Let it float around till I can't ignore. Let it call me out for something more. For something And we may come to find parts of us were left behind. But the best is yet to come.
I promise to be your rock, your support system, and your best friend. I vow to love you unconditionally, to stand by your side through thick and thin, and to always uplift and inspire you.
Ikaw ang best gift sa akin ni Lord. Kasi binigay niya sa akin yung taong magiging lakas ko, kaibigan, at higit sa lahat ay bibigyan niya ako ng tunay na pagmamahal ng buong buo.
We may come to find parts of us were left behind. Or we may come to find still the best is yet to come. We may come to find parts of us were left behind. Or we may come to find we know the best is yet to come. So let it rain down, let it pour. Let it pour me out to the water. Let it float around till I can't ignore. Let it call me out for something more. For something more. For something more.
Pangalan ng ating Panginoong Heso Kristo.
Parts of us were left behind. Still the best is yet
I'm
to
forever sa Mobile Legends.
Victory!